Aluminum oxygen cylinders are used to transport compressed oxygen gas. Larger size cylinders provide oxygen to patients in institutions like hospitals and long-term care facilities. Smaller tanks are used at home by patients with respiratory disorders like asthma, emphysema, and COPD. Worthington Cylinders makes each aluminum medical oxygen cylinder with close attention to product quality and safety. The cylinder shell is made from high-strength 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, which is strong and lightweight. Raw aluminum rods arrive at the plant and are cut into slugs, one slug for each cylinder to be made. The slug is the same diameter as the final cylinder. Each cylinder can use 1 to 40 pounds of aluminum depending on its final size. After a quality check, slugs are loaded into baskets, washed, then coated with a soapy lubricant. A press pushes the slug into a cup shape. Pressure forces the aluminum to flow up the press punch, forming the cylinder shape. Independent inspectors ensure each cylinder shell has the correct wall and bottom thickness. Next, the cylinder neck is formed by heating the open end of the cylinder and pressing it into a die. This creates a strong, single-piece cylinder. In a unique heat treatment process, the cylinder goes through 2 rounds of heating to up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 10 hours to harden and strengthen the aluminum. Next, a round of testing to make sure the cylinder has the proper mechanical properties. 1 cylinder out of 200 is tested for tensile strength, yield, elongation, and flattening. A computer-controlled machine cuts threads into the cylinder neck and trims away excess material so a valve can be added later. The manufacturer's name, test date, and serial number is marked on each cylinder. Every cylinder is hydrostatically tested to ensure it can withstand extreme pressure. The cylinder expands under pressure in the test tank. If it expands within specified limits, the cylinder passes the test. After testing, each cylinder is stamped with U.S. Department of Transportation and Transport Canada's required markings. An independent inspector verifies that all testing has been done properly. Cylinders that will use oxygen and other specialty gases require additional testing for cleanliness inside the cylinder. Samples from each lot are inspected to ensure the cylinder is perfectly clean. After passing the tests, the cylinder is sanded to provide the proper surface finish before it's painted. Workers apply a powder coat paint. The cylinders are oven baked to cure the paint and create a glossy finish. Different colors are used based on customer specifications. Special labels and identifications are applied at customer request. A final inspection ensures the cylinders meet the customer's requirements. Valves and valve protectors are installed and the complete cylinder is packaged to be shipped. The finished cylinders are now ready to be shipped to medical equipment distributors around the world.